Happy Mother's Day to my mom and my wife, Denise. Hope you guys have a great day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom, Cherie Holtz, and happy Mother's Day to my wife, Sherry. Thank you both for all you do. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Happy Mother's Day, Candace Filer, and all the amazing moms out there. You're all so appreciated.
Happy Mother's Day to my mom, Faye Peeler, the first woman I ever loved.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Thanks for all you've done for me over the years.
Hey, I'd like to wish my mom, Jane, happy Mother's Day back in Austin, and to all the other moms out there.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom, and Susan, and Courtney.
Just want to say Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Hey, Mom, Happy Mother's Day to Gwen Roberts.
Just want to say Happy Mother's Day to my mom, Lisa Cox, as well as my oldest sister, Mary Beth Cox. Thank you for all that y'all do and being great moms and great role models. And also thank you to all the moms and mother figures out there. Just appreciate everything that y'all do.
I'd like to wish my mother, Jean Perryman, a happy Mother's Day. You're the best, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
I'd like to wish a happy Mother's Day to my mother, Marie Morrow. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
I would like to wish my mom a happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Kelly Lyons.
I want to wish a happy Mother's Day to my mother, Trisha Bernardo, and my sister, Madison Fowler.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom, and you too, Kelly.
Happy Mother's Day to my wonderful mother, Linda, and my beautiful wife, Jamie.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Hey, Mom, I just wanted to give you a quick shout out saying I love you and happy Mother's Day.
Just want to say happy Mother's Day to my beautiful mom and my wife, KB.
Happy Mother's Day to my mom, Tina Carey.
Happy Mother's Day to my mom, Patricia Miller in heaven, and to my beautiful wife, Brenda Miller.
Hey, Mom, just want to tell you how much I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for all that you do.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in racing, especially my mother, Suzanne, who's been great and wonderful and loving to us and all of our grandkids that are in the family. Thank you very much, Mom.
Happy Mother's Day to my mom, Rita English, and my two aunts, Doris Reese and Gail Bentley.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you and thank you for everything.
Hi, Mom. I wanted to say Happy Mother's Day to my mom, Catherine Horn. I love you so much. I would not be where I am today without you. Thank you for everything you've done for my life. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day to my wife, Kim, our daughter, Cara, and my mother-in-law, Earlene. Have a great day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
I want to wish a happy Mother's Day to my mother, Judy Keenan, and my wife, Kendra Keenan. I love you both more than words can describe.
Just wishing a happy Mother's Day to my mom, Jenny Brawley. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
I would like to say happy Mother's Day to a few of the strongest and most beautiful women that I know on the planet. That's my mom, my wife, and my sisters. I truly don't know where or what I'd be without you guys. And thank you for being the strong women that you are and great mothers.
I'd like to wish my mother-in-law, Ann, and my stepmother, Joyce, a happy Mother's Day. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Love you both.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, especially mine. I love you, Mom.
You gonna count you down?
Hey, Mom. Happy birthday. Mom is Gwen Roberts.
Happy birthday.
Oh, that's right. Mother's Day.